Hey everyone, welcome to our video. If you own a Rainbow vacuum cleaner and need to open it for accessing the water basin or performing any repairs, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of opening a Rainbow vacuum cleaner. Let's get started. Please check the description link. I will provide details information. Safety first. Before opening your Rainbow vacuum cleaner, ensure it is unplugged from the power source. This will prevent any potential accidents or electric shocks during the process. Gather the necessary tools. To open your Rainbow vacuum cleaner, you may need a Phillips head screwdriver or other tools depending on the model. Check the user manual or manufacturer's instructions to determine the specific tools required. Identify the locking mechanism. Examine the exterior of your Rainbow vacuum cleaner to locate the locking mechanism. This can vary depending on the model, but it is often found near the handle or on the side of the unit. It may be a latch, clip, or twist lock mechanism. Unlock the mechanism. Use the appropriate method to unlock the mechanism and release the main unit from the water basin or body of the vacuum cleaner. This may involve pressing a button, twisting a lock, or releasing a latch. Follow the specific instructions for your Rainbow vacuum cleaner. Separate the main unit. Once the locking mechanism is released, carefully separate the main unit from the water basin or body of the Rainbow vacuum cleaner. Be cautious and apply even pressure to avoid damaging any internal components. Access the water basin or perform repairs. With the main unit separated, you now have access to the water basin or internal components of your Rainbow vacuum cleaner. If you need to empty or clean the water basin, simply remove it and follow the manufacturer's instructions. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel.